Good morning, YouTube. It's another wonderful, beautiful Sunday morning here in Southern California. It's a nice day. We're blessed with very beautiful weather here in California. I'm loving it. It's like almost 80 degrees right now. I haven't had a video out. This will be the second week that I haven't had it out. I've been a little bit busy. Between painting my other house, not this one, a different one, and working on my son's Frontier, it's consumed every bit of my time. You know, I do have a day job, so I've been really busy. Anyway, let me show you what I'm doing, and yeah, this is just gonna be a short little video to catch up on where I'm at. All right. So this is the awesome Nissan 4.0 V6, and another YouTuber or a subscriber, anyway, it was someone that was watching my my camshaft sensor video, said that he could hear the excuse me, man, I can't even talk yet, it's early in the morning. He said that he could hear the camshaft tensioners on the secondary chains whining, and I honestly hadn't known that was an issue. So I did a little research and I tried to listen, and I couldn't exactly hear what they were talking about. And another person commented the same thing. Hey, it sounds like your tensioners are whining. And I was like, what, really? You know, I just couldn't distinguish what that sound was. So I took it to Nissan, I had them look at it, and they, of course, you know, they want more money. They say, oh, we can't duplicate the problem. They don't understand. So I said, what the hell? Let's try it. Let's take a look, see what's going on. So I got it all apart, and this is what I found. These are the guides for the secondary chains on the camshafts. And this is the one that I think was making the noise, because the tensioner has like a little piston that pushes up on this piece, and the chain guides across it. Now, as you can see, this thing is pretty destroyed. This one was for the left side. Now, it wasn't broken like this. It was in one piece still, but it broke taking it off. But you can see it wasn't quite as far gone as that one. So this is that little piece that was pushing through there, and the chain was actually guiding on this. It was actually traveling across this piece. It was sticking up through that hole. So this is no good. Here's the new piece, and it's quite a bit different. Now, if I read right, Nissan did some changes to these pieces for 2010. I might be wrong, but I believe I read that somewhere, that this is an upgrade over that piece. So, you know, this truck has almost 200,000 miles on it, and, well, it shows. It always ran great. It never gave us a lick of trouble, but, you know, we might as well do some maintenance on it. This is actually the first real maintenance job we've had to do on this truck. So anyway, here's that piece, the new piece. You can see it's got a little hole there for oil to travel through and lubricate everything. And yeah, so that's what DIY Willy's been doing here the last couple weeks. And I think this is actually like day 8 maybe, or like day 8 of doing this job. It's quite extensive. It took me 4 days just to get to the chains, taking parts off. Now, you got to remember, I only have 2 or 3 hours a day to work. So, you know, I don't get a lot of time. If I had a full 8 hours a day, I probably would have got this done a lot faster. But I don't have that time. And my time is valuable. And it's going to take me a little longer to get this done. Actually get back together. You know, I'm making a video in the process of this. It's not really a how-to, okay guys, I'm sorry, it's not a how-to video, but it's just showing you man, the pain it is to go through doing this job. I think anybody could do it if you just take your time, study up. I bought a book to help me guide me through it, and I'm putting new valve covers on because I have a valve cover leak, slight leak. It's a very small leak, but since I'm here, I might as well do it. I've got a couple other things I'm doing, and one of the heater hoses is leaking pretty good, one of the coolant hoses. I am changing out the radiator hoses, the water pump, because that's right there with the chains, and the thermostat. Excuse me, it's early in the morning. I just barely woke up. It's about 10 a.m. My voice is kind of that. I haven't had a cup of coffee yet. Anyway, so that's what I've been doing, and I just want to put a little something out there just to show people I haven't disappeared from YouTube. It's been a couple weeks and I had a video out. I've just been really busy, and yeah, I'm gonna continue working on this Frontier this morning and throughout the day. Hopefully I can get it back to where the chains are back on. The new tensioners are in there, and let me show you how that tensioner goes. It goes right there. See? Just like that. Anyway, back to the subject matter. I'm going to put it all back together, and yeah, I won't finish it today, but I'll get the most of it done, and then I'll probably work again maybe by Friday. Maybe by Friday I can start it up. That's another week away, but again, that's the time I have, and I got a couple things I want to do. The radiator had some black antifreeze come out of it. I'm not quite sure what that is. I know people say that's impossible. It might be impossible, but it did it. The engine is green, but the radiator was black. I don't understand that. I don't see how that's possible, but it is that way. So when I post the full video of the timing chain repair, I'll show that in the video. It was interesting. I've never seen anything. I'm gonna go ahead and flush the radiator. If I get more black stuff out of it, I might just replace it, because I don't know why there's black water in the radiator and green water in the engine. But anyway, that's my video today. Just wanted to let people know what I'm doing, get you caught up on DIY Willy, and I haven't gone away. I've just been really busy, and so if you haven't already, please subscribe and leave a comment. I get lots of comments from all over the world. I love it. I love comments. I love talking to people. And this may not be my mini bike projects, but hey, it's my projects, my vehicles that I got to work on. And you know, DIY Willy, I've got to do all the work myself. So it's been a challenge. I have had to buy a couple tools. So anyway, like I said, please subscribe. And if you want to see more of this project, how it ends up, does it run again? I don't know. And and yeah, back to track here. So I lost track of my thoughts. Oh yeah, the subscribe stuff. So give it a thumbs up, and I always come back to DIY Willy, where we do fun stuff like timing chains and mini bikes. All right, thank you. Bye.